Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be doing part 2 of how I work with my toddler, and this is going to be the billing edition. For everybody that doesn't know, I work from home and I work for a furniture company, so I get to work from home and do all that fun stuff. So I'm just going to show you how I do that while trying to entertain him. So he is currently watching an educational video on YouTube, you know, talks about colors and manners and all that fun stuff. So that's gonna keep him entertained for, I think it's about an hour long. So I get to do my billing and I'm gonna show you guys what I do. My laptop is super dirty, but so what I do is I log in to my computer at work, and that's how I'm able to do my billing. And we use QuickBooks. My sister-in-law, she sends me all the orders that I need to bill, and then I go ahead and I bill them. So I'm gonna do a fast forward for you guys to see. A wheel. Wheel. Yeah. Open! Hey, go get me my papers, go! So he brings me whatever I print. Oh, thank you, me love. Oh, give it to me. Thank you. Go get the other one. So I'm just printing out these orders that I need to bill. And I'm not sure why it came out this big. Thank you, mi love. Démelo. Oh, thank you. Hay otro, hay otro. Tráigamelo. It's hot. Gracias. And we stop for smoochies, huh? Give me a kiss. Oh, good rico. Go watch TV.
No.
No. Something scary?
Okay.
Show me scary. Oh, you're scared? Oh no. Show me again the emotion of scared. Show me. Oh, you're that scared? That's scary, me love. Oh no, that's scary. That's super scary. Oh, spooky castle. Oh no. That's scary. It's okay. Don't worry. See, he said don't worry. You're okay. This is scary. Oh no.
Hey!
Oh, there's eggs. I know, mommy's papers fell. Okay.
Yeah, you.
Okay. How exciting. Ooh, you're gonna open the egg. Siéntese pues. Siéntese ahí.
Yeah.
Okay. I need to work, okay? soy tu mamá. Yo te beso todas las veces que yo quiero. No, no toque, no toque, no toque. Thank you.
Love you.
No more kisses?
No.
Why not? My silly Willy.
Oh. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Together.
Uy, que le apestan unos sobacos. A ver. Uf, vale, manito, que le apesta. So I had to stop for a little bit because he's hungry. It's about 2:30. So I made him a cheese quesadilla. This is a cauliflower cake, some apples, peach, and some little tiny tomatoes. This he probably won't touch or probably nibble, but it's always good to put in food that he should be getting comfortable with, like little by little. So let's see how much of this he's gonna actually eat. I made myself a quesadilla as well, and I am just gonna watch a little bit of YouTube while I eat, and then I'll go back to work. Show me what happened. So remember those tomatoes I gave him? He squeezed it, I guess, and it went all over him. You good? Okay. ¿No lo quieres? Allá póngalo pues. Póngalo en el plato. He hasn't eaten anything. Ahí déjelo, ahí déjelo. Cuando tenga hambre se lo come. You like that? Okay. So this is pretty much what I have right now. I finalized like this invoice. It's a little bit short of $10,000. So I'm going to show you the second part of what I have to do. I have to go to new orders, and here pretty much we take care of any new order that comes in. We put it in, and then when we invoice it, we put the invoice number and the date. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to search for this order number, which is 1919. And lately they've been duplicating orders, so there might be multiples. See, so it says 1 out of 2. So this one's already billed, so I just enter, and here it is. So here I will put the invoice number, which is 2420, and then I will go ahead and enter the date in that box right there. So it's, yes, me love, 7/29/2020, and I will do that for all of my invoice. He decided he wants to sit next to me. Oh, no. No. ¿Cómo es eso, okay? Are we having another break?
Sí.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is your food good?
Mm.
Yeah? ¿Te vas a comer tu quesadilla?
Mm.
Sí? Okay. Good job.
Mm.
¿Y por qué estás aquí? Vete para allá. Are you tired?
Mm-mm.
No? Why are you rubbing your eyes?
Mm.
I think you're tired.
Mm.
Okay. Go here, and I'm gonna go print. So it's gonna print the order, but it's not gonna print it here. It's gonna print it straight to work. So when I go in tomorrow to just do a couple of things, I will attach it with the orders. And the last thing that I have to do is go here, and I need to email this so they get this invoice and they could pay it. Okay. Come on. Come on. I need to work. Can you stop? Can you stop? Hey. Come on, get up. Okay? Get up. Jace. Come on. Let go of me. You're choking me. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Wow, bus. Okay, ya bájese. Come on. My love, I can't breathe. Oh, look at me. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Oh my goodness, I can't breathe. Ow. Ow. You're so sweaty. Stop. You're so sweaty. So we had to come outside because he wasn't letting me work. So hopefully that gives me a little bit more time to work. Go in the puddle. Go in the puddle. Right here. In here. Go in the puddle. Hey! Don't do that. It's dirty. Ew! It's dirty. Nasty. You're being loud. Yes, you are. Go on the slide. Go. Go, 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 go. Go. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Your turn. It's your turn. Why not? Come on. Go, go, go. Ready. Set. What happened? Okay. Ready, set.